like a red 70 Chevelle SS. This thing's kind of a monster. This is like just a super built motor. This customer came to us, he bought this car at Barrett-Jackson auction. We did an inspection for him. Found a couple little things, but really this is a well-built car. Had a 4-speed in it with a gear vendor's overdrive. That's a pretty neat setup. What he came to us for is he wanted AC in this car. So we did some vintage air, we got AC for him. He wanted some digital gauges. Some of the gauges weren't working, so we of course did Dakota digital gauges for him. He came back a couple months later after that work was done. He was pretty happy with it, so he was like, what do you think about fuel injection on this thing? I'm like, oh man, Holley Sniper's my jam, let's do it. So we did that. Car runs so much better with the Sniper system on it. He's been enjoying it for, I don't know, 3-4 months. He called me up recently and was like, I think I want to put a 6-speed in this thing instead of the 4-speed with the gear vendors. You know, I mean, to me, it's kind of like 6 of one, half dozen of the other. I think he's probably, like, you don't have a car like this for fuel economy, right? This is a punched out 454. It's like a 500 and some cubic inch engine, but he wants that highway cruise nice and mellow with that 6 gear. In fact, he specifically requested the 0.5 overdrive version of the Tremec Magnum 6-speed. So we're gonna do that wide ratio trans in it. That's really pretty much about it, but he did finally relent on his 15-inch wheels, and we're gonna do some 17s with some better tires. So I think the car's just gonna sit a little better. And then there's one little bug with his fuel injection. He said when he's getting on it on hard rights, he's losing a little bit, like it's losing fuel or whatever. So we're gonna investigate that. We might put a hydromat in the tank or something like that to make sure that goes away. So obviously this guy, while he's a retired guy and he lives out in the hills in beautiful Lafayette, California, here in the Bay Area, he's getting on this thing if he's feeling that kind of stuff going on. So pretty nice car. I'm really stoked to be working on it. And the only thing I don't like about it is the white interior, because we get them dirty and we end up having to scrub them when we're done.